Are you familiar with global parameters in Red Hat Satellite? Global parameters is a very used feature, and this can help you in different ways. So if you're not familiar with that, fear not, let's learn together. I'm gonna show you all the details. So let's go to the video. So to start, where is this located? We can access the left menu, configure global parameters. And from here, we can see the global parameters that are enabled or set by default. You can see that some of them are false or true. Basically, there are some of them Boolean, some of them string, as we can see. And we can manage them. We can change the value. Like I can set this to true or false. I can also play with the parameters type, this kind of stuff. But what is the reason? Where can I use this? I have another video here. I'm gonna share the link talking about how you can customize or set or create some templates that will help you in your provisioning template or provisioning process. But let me show you this. Let's open a new tab over here. I would like to check some templates, provisioning templates. And in this one, I'm gonna search by Kickstart. We'll see Kickstart default. This is the default template for basically most of the provisioning that we have. And if you take a look here, check this out. This template accepts the following parameters. And we have a lot of parameters here. Hey, Wally, I didn't see all of them over there. That's right. This template accepts the following parameters. Some of them are not set. Some of them has some default value like this. Some of them are undefined. So if you like to, you can definitely set this configuration in your global parameter, which will be valid for all the machines from this point on. For instance, let's take a look on host registration insights. We can see the value here is true, and this is valid for all the content hosts. Any new machine in your satellite will see this parameter with this value as a standard value. If we came over here and search by that one, check this out. We have one entry, and this is telling basically, hey, let me call this snippet insights. If the host parameter true, this guy. If this parameter is true and OS major is less than 9. That's it. If those conditions here, this one and this one is true, then this template is gonna call this snippet call insights, which means host registration insights equal true. This machine will get registered through insights automatically if this one is true. We know this one is true, and the OS major is less than 9. Basically, that's it. So we can play around, we can create some new parameters if necessary, and I'm showing this in the other video. I'm gonna share the link in the card. But basically, that's it. This information will be here for all the systems. And okay, how can I see this? One way is this. On the main screen, left menu, configure, global parameters. You can see the information here. Another way is, let's open the hosts. I'm gonna open the two of them, two clients. Then we have this one, which is a node 01 rel 8 parameters. And there we go. See, this one is global, which means this is coming from the global configuration, global parameter. This is also global, global, global. If I go to my global and change this one to true, then this will inherit from the global the value of true. And then based on my templates, based on Ansible playbooks, based on different ways, I can inherit that value as a true or false and do some different actions. This one here, for instance, it is not coming from the global. This one is coming from the host, which means this configuration is set on this specific server. If we take a look on the next one, same stuff. We have the node 2, this rel 9, the main screen. I can click on parameters, and then there you go. I have some information coming from global, which is the global parameters. And I have this one here coming from the host itself. Eventually, if I'm working with host groups and I have some parameters in the host group as well, you should be able to see here the information, the source pointing to the host group. So basically, yes, No big deal, no secrets. This is the main point. Global parameters can help you automate your tasks in a way that you can set, okay, this is standard to all my environment, this is true, or some specific message. Then yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you have questions or ideas about how this should work. And again, don't forget to watch the other video I'm gonna share in the card. Definitely this is gonna help you to understand this better and move it on, implement this in your own satellite. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Also feel free to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.